All right, it is here. It is here, the Galaxy Z Fold 2. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here. And yes, finally got the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in hand. It literally just showed up. So, I had to set up the cameras and we got to do this unboxing. And I know there's already tons of unboxings on the channel. And usually when that happens, I usually won't do a dedicated unboxing for a device. But you know what? This device right here, this is special right here. This is my very first ever device with a folding display. I never got a chance to have hands-on with the original Galaxy Fold. I had a little bit of hands-on with the Galaxy Z Flip, but I never actually owned one. So the fact that I finally got one of these in hand, the brand new Galaxy Z Fold, I am super excited for this. So no more talking, let's go ahead and get this open. So I got my knife right here, gonna go ahead and just cut this open right here, and I'll try to keep this video as raw as possible because these are my very first official impressions of this device right here. Like I said, very first time having a device with a display that folds. And how do I do this? Oh, I guess it just slides out, if I'm not mistaken. Here we go. Slide it out just like that. Ooh, okay, so this is what the outer part's gonna look like. And then we have the box. And I guess the way to open this is you just open it like this. Look at that. Woo! All right, so as soon as you open the box, you get this little card right here that says, change the shape of the future, introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience, unlock endless versatilities, and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. And that is that. Let's go and see what else is in here. And then we have this, which I'm sure has the user manual inside, all that good stuff that nobody really ever reads. But you know what? Got to double check anyway. So yeah, we got the SIM ejector tool and the user manual, all that good stuff. And then, of course, my Samsung Care support information as well. Let me move this to the side. And then we have the device itself. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so how do I take this out? I guess I just pull it out. Woo! Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! I decided to go Mystic Bronze again because I already have the Mystic Bronze Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is actually what I'm using to record the B-roll for this video. So yeah, so I decided to just go Mystic Bronze with this device as well. Oh my goodness, it looks really, really good. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off here. Okay, I guess I got to start in the back. Here we go. Oh, okay, it wraps around like this. Okay, first there are care instructions. I'm sorry, I know I'm doing this all wrong, but like I said, I'm really excited right now. I'm really trying to hold it in. Okay, so in the front, we got some care instructions that says, do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object. Pretty much common sense. When folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as cards, coins, or keys placed in between the screens. Okay, the device is not dust or waterproof. Got that. Do not remove the screen protector. Your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between blah, 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 blah. Okay, I got that. I can read this later. Let me go ahead and take this off. Woo! Oh my goodness, look at that. There it is. Let me set that to the side. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Should we give it its first fold? All right, let's give it the first fold, okay? So it comes open like this out of the box. Let's go ahead and give it its first fold. I'm not sure where to start here. Here we go. I'm a little nervous to do this, I'm not gonna lie. All right, here we go. Woo! We did it! The very first fold on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. My goodness, and that fold is just super sturdy. I mean, all the videos that you've seen on YouTube, they are not a lie. It feels super sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to get flimsy or anything like that over time. It feels really good, actually. My very first time folding a device like this. One more time, one more time. Bah! Okay, one more time, one more time. Again. Okay, second time. Bah! Look at that. Oh my goodness. It feels so premium in the hand. It feels really, really good. And that Mystic Bronze color just looks really good on this device. I am not disappointed at all. You know what? Let me set this to the side for now. Let's see what else comes in here. So Galaxy Z Premier Surface. So of course we get some Premier service with this device. Let's see what else comes in the box. We get a cable here, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, and then a super fast charging brick, which I'm sure is a 25-watt fast charger. So that's what comes in the box. Let me go ahead and move this over to the side. We don't need any of that. Let's take a look at the device. Absolutely beautiful. And then looking at that camera hump in the back, definitely not as big as the one that we get on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but it pretty much looks the same, but it's definitely not as tall. I think it looks really good on this device. And then that hinge on the side as well, looking really good. Just overall very premium looking device. And then going to the bottom, we have the speaker, the charging port, and then the speaker grill down there. And then up top we got another speaker grill, and it looks like another microphone as well. But let's go ahead and power this on and see if it's got any juice in it. I'm really hoping it does. I'm pretty sure it does. Let's see, it's not turning on. Okay, there we go. So it's got some juice turned on. I can't wait to check out this display. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So in the front, it shows the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold logo, and then going inside, still showing that Samsung logo. So I don't think it's turned off on either screen right now when it's starting up. Okay, so now that it's open, okay, here we go. So it's already started up saying, let's go. Look at that screen. My goodness, pretty much a bezel-less experience. We're pretty much getting an all-screen experience like a tablet here. But of course, we do have that camera hole punch cutout, which doesn't bother me at all. I mean, I'm already used to it with my Galaxy S20 Ultra and my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So I am no stranger to this right here. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in to the device, set it up, download a couple of apps, and then we'll go ahead and scroll through it and see what the experience is like. I cannot wait to check it out. So let me go ahead and set all that up. All right, so I am all set up and kind of ready to go. I did sign into some of my accounts and downloaded a couple of apps as well, just to kind of test it out, see how it works with some of those apps and see what the scrolling experience is like as well. Now, the 120 hertz does come on that big display inside. It's already automatically turned on. You can turn it off if you want and use the higher resolution. With the front display, you don't get that 120 hertz option. It is stuck at 60 hertz. Now, as far as using this front display, it seems like it's going to make one-handed usage actually pretty easy because of how skinny it is. I mean, yeah, it's a little tall. If you have big hands, you probably won't have a problem with this. But for me personally, I don't have the biggest hands in the world, so it might be a little hard if I do have to reach with one hand to the top of the device. But as far as just kind of using it one-handed, it feels like it's going to be pretty easy, like I said, because of how skinny it is. Now, it is a little bit thick and it is a little bit on the heavy side compared to something like my Note 20 Ultra. But honestly, it just gives it a real premium feel. At least in my opinion, I think it feels really good in the hands. And then going to the inside display. Actually, first, let's test out that fingerprint sensor. I did set it up. So if I turn the screen off like this, let's go ahead and try it out. It actually works really fast. And this is my first time ever using a side fingerprint sensor like this. So it's going to take me maybe a little bit to get used to it. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's going to be hard to get used to this, but like I said, I'm not really used to it to begin with because I've never used a fingerprint sensor like this, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be too bad, and it actually works really good. And then when it comes to the volume rockers, I think they placed them in the perfect spot. They're not too high, they're not too low. They're right actually where my thumb is going to land on the side of this device. So I think they put them in the right spot. And then opening up the phone, I love doing this. I was actually opening and closing it off the camera before I set everything up. It's actually become pretty addicting already, and I haven't even had the phone that long, but it is a nice experience so far. So just looking at this display, it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, if you can get a close-up right there on camera, it is a beautiful display. And looking dead on, you really don't notice that crease in the middle at all unless you're kind of looking at it from the side, or kind of if you have it tilted down or tilted up, you can kind of notice it. But if you're looking at it dead on, which you're pretty much going to be doing anyways when using this device, I'm pretty sure people aren't going to be holding it to the side like this when they're using the phone. So when you're looking at it straight on, you don't really notice that crease in the middle. And I think that's really nice actually. And just scrolling in the phone, I mean, it's really nice. If I go into YouTube right here, I already have it on a video. I was testing it out with just watching one of my videos, and it's almost like you have a, like say like a Note 20 Ultra screen right there at the top, and then you have this whole other half of the bottom that you get to use to read the comments or look through some of the recommended videos, and it is just super nice. So if I play the video here, I can enjoy the video on still, even though it's half the screen, it's still a big portion of the screen. Like I said, if you're pretty much using a regular smartphone with a big display. So you get that big screen to watch your video on, and then you get the rest of it to go through your comments, to answer comments or whatever, go comment on other videos, and it is just super nice. And then if I switch it to the side like this, then you pretty much get the whole screen experience. But then again, you do have those black bars on the top and the bottom, which me personally, I don't really mind. I mean, I'm still getting this huge screen experience. Now, you do get that camera hole punch out that does fall into the video, so that might bother some people. Some people might not really care. Me personally, I don't really care. It's kind of up to the left corner, so it's not going to get in the way of my video at all. But the viewing experience on this device is amazing. And then with the 120 hertz, just scrolling up and down, side to side, whatever, the 120 hertz is working amazing. And it is just a nice experience. Like I said, this has been a device that I have been most excited for this year. And I am so happy that I finally got it in my hands. The Galaxy Z Fold 2. And my goodness, it is amazing. If you haven't had an experience with the device like this, you need to at least try to make your way into maybe a Best Buy store or a Samsung Experience store, just so you can experience one of these for yourself. Even if you're not going to buy it, just to go in there and mess with it. It's so far, for first impressions, I am in love with this device already, and I can't wait to use it more and really just download all of the apps that I use and really just use it for my everyday lifestyle, whatever I'm going to be doing. Now, obviously, this phone isn't going to be for everyone. This is more of a luxury device. I wouldn't say, you know, take it to your job if you work at a construction site or anything like that, or if you're going hiking or to the beach. This is not going to be a phone that you are going to want to take with you. And I really don't think this is something that really anybody needs. It's more of something that you want. And me, yes, I wanted it, which is why I got it. Not just for the channel, but for myself. And I could definitely see myself using this every day. Like I said, maybe not for everything. If I'm going to the beach or outdoors or something, that's what I got my other device for. But this is just, I don't know, this is more for something to like show off as well to your friends. Because there's going to be a lot of people that don't have a device like this. And if you just walk into maybe if you're going to visit family or going to hang out with friends, you pull this out, open it up, you are going to be turning some heads. People are going to be asking you what that is. Is that a phone or is it a tablet? I don't know. It's kind of both. But so far, first impressions, I am loving this Galaxy Z Fold 2. I am so happy I bought it. And if you've been thinking about getting it and you have the money to get it, hey, get it, because you are not going to be disappointed with this device. But I am loving it so far. I got tons of content coming for this phone. If there's anything that you guys want to know about it, just let me know down in the comment sections below, and I will do my best to get to your comments about this phone and get to your questions and try to answer them in certain videos. But if you did like this video, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on it. If you did enjoy this experience with me, checking out my first impressions on this device, this is definitely, like Flossie Carter would say, a major go. I am loving it so far. I am in love with this device. But I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not done so already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.